In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Deel account specifically if you're based in Africa, and we'll go country by country to ensure you have all the details you need. Setting up a Deel account efficiently requires some preparatory steps and awareness of local regulations, so let me guide you through this process clearly and comprehensively. First, let's discuss what Deel is and why you might consider using it. Deel is a platform that simplifies the hiring process, be it for contractors or full-time employees. It streamlines payroll and ensures compliance with labor regulations, which can vary significantly across African countries. To start, you'll need some key documents and information ready. You'll need your full name, a valid email address, and your country or residence status. Additionally, having government-issued identification such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license is crucial as Deel requires it for verification. Depending on your country's requirements, your official tax ID or national registration number might also be necessary. You should also prepare your banking details if you'll be receiving payments via bank transfer, though options like PayPal, Payoneer, Deel Card, or even cryptocurrency are also available. Once you have gathered all necessary documents, creating your Deel account involves a straightforward process online. Begin by visiting Deel's website and following the prompts to sign up. You'll be asked to upload your government-issued ID. This step is crucial as it helps to establish your identity and facilitate compliance with local regulations. Note that some countries might have additional verification steps to enact, so be prepared to complete those if requested. Next, you need to provide your tax and compliance documents. Depending on your country's regulations, Deel may ask for your tax ID or social security number. You may also need to supply your bank details if that is your chosen method for receiving payments. This ensures that all transactions align with local legal requirements. It's also crucial to understand that Deel services can vary by country. For instance, the types of identity documents accepted might differ. Some countries may accept voters' cards, whereas others may not. The available payment methods can also change from one country to another. In some regions, you might have the option to use the Deel card, while in others, bank transfers or services like Payoneer or mobile money are standard. Additionally, in certain situations, Deel might require physical signing of contracts, especially when local compliance regulations demand it. If you're an employee rather than a contractor, local labor laws, benefits, and deductions will apply, and Deel will take care of these when they operate payroll services locally. By understanding these country-specific variations, you can ensure a smooth experience with Deel. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're now well equipped to set up your Deel account confidently.